The seven ancient wonders of the world. What happened to them as time unfurled? The Colossus of Rhodes, so proud and tall, crashed to the ground with a mighty fall. The hanging gardens of Babylon high, but earthquakes made them say goodbye. The statue of Zeus at Olympia bright, burned to ashes, lost to sight. The temple of Artemis at Ephesus grand, turned to ruins by a fire's hand. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus wide, an earthquake shook it from inside. The lighthouse of Alexandria's light fell to quakes and sank from sight. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands so tall, the last to survive among them all.